Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is day 2 at our event near the Florida RV Supershow around Tampa. And things are really going good today. I'm going to step in our front living floor plan. This is a 46 FL, and it is just gorgeous. It has the front living floor plan in it. So what you've got is a really nice high ceilings back here. This is the gourmet kitchen area. Some very large opposing slides. I'm walking up into the entertainment center. I'm gonna swing around here. We've got some beautiful couches in here. There are 2 opposing slides up here in this area. Beautiful fireplace, TV, lots of storage up here. The ceilings in this are 8'6" in the living area. I'm gonna walk back here and show you a little bit. We've got a nice half bath and washer and dryer area here. Walking into the bedroom area, and just a beautiful lot of storage back here. Huge wardrobe area with a TV on the top. Swing around here, beautiful headboard, and this bathroom is just gorgeous. Of course, you've got that 8'6" ceiling, so you got plenty of height in there. Swing around here. They've just really decorated this beautifully. So hey, let us know what you think about our 46 FL. Stop by. We are located at 10400 Paradise Springs Court. It's a private drive, so it takes a little while to get here, but if you put that into Google, if you put the secret garden in at Lithia, Florida, Google will bring that address up for you. And hey, we'd love to have you come visit and take a look at our units. So have a wonderful day today.